This video is about the area of articles and kits. Now we're going to see look at the foundations of Logistics 7, the articles database that lies underneath the program. So go to Articles and select the option Articles and Kits. The window shows you the list of all the codes available in the database of Logistics 7. One of the biggest differences between this part of the software and the others is that it already contains thousands of records ready to use. These are the ITC International Technical Coordination of MSF articles. Additionally, if needed for your supply chain management, you can create your own local articles at mission coordination level. This part of the software allows you to 1. Get information about the local and ITC articles, for example, content, value, stock position, back order, etc. 2. Create your own local articles, or if you're in project coordination, have them done by coordination. And 3. Update supplier and local prices. There's more information about articles in the video PCM M13. This column indicates the code of the article. This one, the description. This one, the packaging. This one, the unit price. And finally, this one, the section. If the item is available in the MSF catalog, this tick will be activated. As in all the areas along the software, a pack of filters is available at the top, which can help you find the information you're looking for. Let's see what each filter can do for us. Clicking in this filter brings up a list of families that you can browse and select the one you need. For example, CBUI. So only the articles related to the CBUI family, the construction ones, will be available. The description filter is the more straightforward filter, and only by typing here a part of a word you can find all the descriptions that contain that combination of letters. For example, if we type BATTER, we will get everything that has this combination of letters. For example, battery. If we click on the line in the article, sheet, it will get opened. In this we can see the complete description of the item, the code, the indicative price, and the ITC price. For more information about prices in the article, watch the video PCM M23. In the label suppliers, we can link the specific article with one supplier and one price. For example, Brick Brothers Construction. You can also see the list of orders where this article appears, the stock, if any, and if the article is a kit. In the label content is displayed the list of items that are included in it, which can be printed for use in the warehouse or exported into XLS with price info for each specific item. Let's look at an example. Go back to the main page, clear the filter, if any, and let's look for a kit using the filter family. For example, this one, communication kit. Double click on it, and once the article sheet gets opened, click on the content label. This is the list of articles contained. Now, go back to the main page, clear the filters, and let's look at this one for section. If you want to look for the local articles for your mission, browse and find the country.